Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add items to your wish list or to your favorites on the Abercrombie application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the home button down below and click on the shop now button. Here you can find categories at the top, so tap on a relevant one, and here you can find the items. So click on a product that you are interested in, then click on the heart icon down below in the left side corner, tap on view saves, and here you will be able to find it if you tap on this heart icon down below in the all section at the top. If you want to delete it, just tap on the X button and then it will be removed from your list automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.